Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. I'll be showing you how to use the masking feature on imag-r.com. Remember, ImagR and all its functions and features are completely free. The only limitation is an upload limit of 3 images per day. Let's get started. First, let's find an image to engrave. I'm thinking of using an American flag. I love the rough design of this one, even though it's quite small. Next, let's find some cool shapes for masking. Search for silhouette black, plus any keyword like dog, love, or family on Google Images. As you can see, there are hundreds of potential masking images available at no cost. Once we've found a masking image, we need to enhance the American flag image because it's too small for a detailed result. In my case, scaling it by a factor of 3 is sufficient. Download and save your upscaled image. As you can see, the result is 3 times bigger than the original image with no quality loss or blur. Now, let's start masking. Choose Masking from the top menu on ImagR. Masking is quite self-explanatory, but I'll guide you through it. Upload your image, making sure to use the upscaled one. You can choose from pre-made shapes or upload your own. For this video, we'll upload our own shape. Click Upload Own Shape and select your masking image. You can use masking images with text or watermarks on them. The program will remove everything that isn't black and repair the shape afterward. You can move the mask's position on the image using the sliders on the right side. However, I don't want my flag in a paw shape, so I found this awesome bird mask. Let's try it. There's no need to re-upload the flag, as the new selected mask just replaces the old one. I'll make the mask bigger, position it to my liking, and save the image as a PNG file. That's basically all we need to do in masking. Now let's prepare the file for engraving. Go back to imag-r.com and upload your masked image. A great benefit of the masking feature is that it already crops the image on all sides, so there are no empty areas, as you can see in the crop module. Let's resize the image to the size you want for engraving. In my case, it's 150 millimeters in width, and the height adjusts automatically to maintain the ratio. For DPI, my 80-watt CO2 laser needs 318, which I tested using the ImagR DPI test feature. It looks great so far, but I want to give the image more life. Let's click on the One Touch button and watch the magic happen. It looks way more vibrant and exciting than the original image. The One Touch feature works like a charm with any image. Since I'm using a CO2 laser, I'll bump up my gamma value to 2 to avoid very deep dark blacks, which can result in overly deep, non-detailed areas on wood if not adjusted. The final step is to choose your favorite algorithm. I prefer the Kaja Wood algorithm because it provides a detailed image without being too cartoony or just a simple dithering or sharpening. I highly recommend testing it out. Let's save the image as a PNG and move on to Lightburn. After importing the image into Lightburn, open the image layer settings. The most important part is to make sure the pass-through box is ticked. If not, everything we did before will be useless, and your result will be terrible. Even when I dither my image, I use both minimum and maximum power values. I find that this gives better results than a single power setting. I use 20% minimum power and 30% maximum power. For speed, I use 200 mm/s because organic material like wood needs time to evaporate properly. Too fast will make it look faded. Too slow will make it too deep and dark. The birch wood I'm using here is untreated and unsanded. Also, engraving with the grain can cause the lines and dots to become larger, resulting in a loss of detail. After engraving, I use a normal brush to remove all the dust. You can seal the wood with clear acrylic spray, but I prefer to leave it natural to enjoy the birch wood's natural color contrast. I hope you enjoyed the video. Play around with the masking feature and share your results with me. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.